So now we're going to look at my staff. From my profile, you go down to more and you click on my staff. Anybody that's listed in here has permissions that you grant them to use your GoHighLevel. So if you just wanted to, let's say you're working with a VA and they're going to make blog posts for you, or they're going to schedule your social media or whatever it is, whomever you want to add in here is completely up to you. You want to click Add User, fill in their information. If they have a specific calendar they're going to use, you can set that here, assuming you've set that up before you did this. If they have an email signature, you would put it here and turn it on. And then go to Roles and Permissions. If you set it to admin, they are going to have access to everything. So depending on what you want them to do, you might want to just select User. And then over here, we've got all records or only assigned data. And then down here is all of the different things that you can either check on or check off to give them access to. And you are in 100% control of this. So whatever you want them to do, here is where you find the access. And all of this, as you go down, these just jump back and forth. So you can scroll down or you can jump right to what you're looking for. And then down here is your call and voicemail settings, your user availability. If you want to have their availability posted in here, you've got that. And the calendar configuration. Again, if they have a separate calendar than yours, it will show in here because I don't have anybody that I'm setting up. It just shows my calendar. But if you assigned another calendar in there, it would be looking at the configurations of that calendar. So once you have that all set up, that team member is going to be listed right here. So that's how you add a team member. In our next video, we're going to jump into looking at all of the calendar settings.